Feel the chicken. Be the chicken. Caw-caw. Caw-caw moo. Caw-caw. Caw-caw moo. Hello there, design champions. Happy Tuesday. Write me a comment below. Hashtag hot girl summer. What was the best thing that happened to you this weekend? So I'd like to share some analytics from our community here. You guys think that the Twix bar is the best rapper of all time. And honestly, I can't disagree. Alright, thank you so much for sticking with me. Let's get started to the content. We had Jem and Joe. Jem went through. We had Pedro and Johan. Pedro went through. We had Marcus and Cosmin. Marcus went through. Now, waiting on the last position in the round of 4. All the way down, we got rid of 60 designers so far. Oh my god. In today's challenge, we will be deciding who will take the last available position in the round of 4. Will it be Victoria, the little French voice Burgle, or will it be Theo, the trailblazer Carrasco? I want to get free pretzels. I want to get reduced price ice cream because it's a week old. To keep up with the tournament, go to milanote.com/DCC and you'll hit this board. Then we can go to quarterfinals, Germany, and we'll check out the ice cream and pretzel shop. So as a reminder, there's a restaurant/store. It's called Salzkristall, which means salt crystal. It is what it is. Our designers have to create a logo for the shop, and they also have to create some ice cream packaging in a package. Some of the desired feelings of the shop are vibey, mysterious, astrological, with a homemade natural touch. But the 5 criteria they'll be judged on is their logo, their packaging, their creativity, their execution, and does their work achieve a desired feeling? I don't really know. Let's check out Victoria's work in the tournament so far. Here was Victoria's work for Sakana Tengoku. I love that hand. The hand's so cool. Here was what she made for Felix. She made this awesome animation. Bloop. Felix shows up. And here was her work for the Tesla app. Very Gucci. And we have a video of Victoria, so let's hear what she had to say.
Hi, Victoria here. I send the best wishes from Germany to all the participants in this round. I think it's so cool we're all in this together. And as for you too, I know you're a very good opponent. And I hope you had a lot of fun with pretzels and ice cream, but now fun time is over. And as you would say in France, je te souhaite très très bonne chance, que le meilleur gagne. Bye bye!
Oh, to all my French speakers, leave a translation below. I'm pretty sure I got the gist of it, but you know. That's right, the fun times are over. Let's see who's gonna win this sucker. Let's check out Theo's work. Here was his flyer for Sakana Tengoku, the salmon eating tournament. I wonder who won that tournament. I don't know. And here were his Instagram ads for Felix. Finally, his designs for the Tesla app. Super duper dope. Theo didn't send us a video, but here's his info. If you want to show him some love, give him some follows, please do. Follow all of our designers. They're all awesome people. We know the prompt, we know the players, we know that my local taco truck makes the best cheeseburgers in Los Angeles. Let's get into the work and let's see what Victoria came up with. Okay, looks like Victoria is working on the iPad right now. The line, whatever tool this is, looks super like a pencil. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. And she drew that hand so easily. Maybe that's like, she's either just really good at drawing hands or that's like one of the poses she practices. Pretty awesome. Ooh, I like all the drips on this ice cream here. Oh man, I shouldn't record these when I'm so hungry. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are hungry. If you're hungry, you know, get some food. Let's eat and watch together. Well, you can eat. I'll just live vicariously through your stomach. This is looking so cool. I really want an iPad, but I also need like a laptop, maybe. But I shouldn't purchase either one of them right now, financially. But yeah, this is super cool. She's an illustrator now. I asked Victoria what her favorite animated movie was. She said she liked 3 of them. Princess Mononoke, Hercules, and Tangled, but she says Hercules is her favorite because she loves the music, which it has a fantastic soundtrack, it really does. And she likes the drawing style as well. She says she's seen it 1,000 times. Do you think she's really seen it 1,000 times? I mean, it is possible. I think it's possible. I think it would take like 6 months of just watching it. But, you know, that's pretty cool. I asked her if she was in the final, what competitor would she like to go against? And she said she loves Marcus's work and style. So for the best and hardest competition, she would choose him. I like that mentality. She wants to go against, you know, who she thinks is the best. I asked her what her favorite challenge so far was, and she said this one. She likes the ice cream shop. She said she loves ice cream and pretzels, but never thought of a combination. Yeah, me neither. Actually, when I was coming up with the idea, I always thought of the pretzels as like the large breaded ones, which is interesting. But that was just my personal bias because I love those ones. Okay, we'll see what font she chooses. Saz Cristal. Oh, that's cool. I like the K's and the R's have some characters on this typography, on this font. I asked Victoria if she won the tournament, and I gave her a gold version of anything. What would she like her trophy to be? She said she owns nothing golden except jewelry, but she'd want something that she used every day or daily, so she'd like a pen or a notebook. I think Johan said the same thing about a golden notebook. That'd be cool. I asked her who she thinks will win this tournament, and she said, yeah, she likes Marcus's portfolio, so she thinks that he has a good chance to win. Ice and pretzel manufacturer. Okay, cool. So it looks like she's done with the design part mostly. Now she's moving to the mock-ups. Ooh. What color would you guys call that? Bronze? Let me know in the comments below what color that orange is. Well, I just call it orange, but if you had to be more specific. Oh, caramel. Okay. Chocotram. I'm not gonna try to read this journal. Okay, here. So there's different flavors. This is the dusted rose. Okay. This is pretty interesting. I always like seeing how they work, and then I like seeing. I don't like seeing like it put onto the mock-up and then off the mock-up and then on the mock-up. I like to be like surprised. I like to see the whole mock-up together like this. Yeah, like this. This is cool. Erdbeerschmaus. I'm sorry for all Germans. I apologize. Oh, this is interesting. So she got a leaf, but she's only using the shadow. And then she masked out so the shadow doesn't cover the other one. That's really interesting. Okay, that's it. So here is her logo design. And here are her ice cream packagings. And this is what she said about the most challenging part of the project. In this round, I had to get out of my comfort zone in terms of minimalism. I'm totally not the spiritual and mysterious kind of girl, so I had to create something that didn't come so easy peasy out of my mind. That's why I needed to do a lot of sketches. After all, I tried to turn the astrological feeling in a kind of magic that surrounds the Salts Crystal ice cream. All right, Mr. Worldwide, let's see what Victoria's opponent, Theo, the Trailblazer Carrasco, came up with. Whoa, what was that? He had like circles. That's very interesting. Okay, legitness. Oh, look, he made that star design that I made in the last episode of YGR. But I just used the plucker and bloat function. He used 4 circles and cut them out. Very interesting. I asked Theo what his favorite animated movie was. He said if it's 3D, he likes WALL-E, but if it's 2D, he likes a movie called Sen to Chihiro no Kamikakushi, which I actually Googled, which is Spirited Away. Which I'm sorry guys, I still haven't seen that. I'm supposed to see it. If anybody wants to watch it with me, feel free to come over. We'll have a Spirited Away party. But this is looking really cool. I like this typography a lot. I wonder what the thing in the middle is. Maybe it's like a cup with ice cream on top of it. I asked Theo if he got to the final, who would he like to face? He said he'd like to face Jem Ilhan, simply because he's done amazing designs along the way, especially like the ones he did for Felix and the Tesla app. Yeah, Jem was sick. Unfortunately, Joe Harris took their tournament, took their heads up, so that won't be possible. I asked Theo what his favorite challenge was so far, and he said the current one. This is interesting. Actually, like maybe 2 or 3 out of the 4. No, 2 or 3 out of the maybe like 3 or 4 out of the 8 who've done this one said this one was their favorite. So that's nice for me to hear. He said, I love challenges, and this round was very hard because he struggled to find a good logo design. He said he made like 10 or 12 different logos, and he never did packaging design before. So it was super cool. Nice. I asked him if he won the tournament, and I gave him a gold version of something. What would he like? And he said a golden chicken. Super dope. When I wrote that question, I didn't actually think of like being able to produce and send a golden chicken, but I've been researching it, and I think I can. I think I can just like buy a golden chicken statue. Yeah, I'll think about it. That's good. Okay, final question I asked him was, who do you think will win this tournament? He said, me. No, he's just joking, maybe. For real, he thought either Cristobal, Potato Heart, that guy was cool, would make it to the end, but now that he's out, he thinks either Pedro or Jem. Pedro's still in, so it could be him. Nice. Ooh, you know, this is looking pretty cool. So I actually think those round things are like I think they're a pretzel now. Oh, this is an interesting way to, okay, sick. You know, those dots kind of seem like dairy. It reinforces the idea of dairy, which is very interesting. I wonder if that's what he's going for, or if it's just like a regular design. Ooh. You know, the mock-up that I sent them to use has a bunch of different angles of the ice cream cup. So it's interesting to see which ones have chosen different angles to mock up on. Yeah. You know, like aligning patterns is something that gets overlooked somewhat often in various designs, I suppose. This gold and purple is kind of like a royal feeling, isn't it? Very cool. So here was Theo's logo. And here is his packaging designs. Dope boy summer. Here's what he said about what was most challenging about the project. The logo, 100%. I'm not used to making vintage, mystic logo designs. Most of the logos that I make are mostly flat design. So it was a real challenge for me to come up with something like that. But that's super dope fresh, Theo. Design champions, it is now time to vote. Cast your say, leave your turmoil in the past on 5 criteria. Who had the better logo? Theo or Victoria? Whose packaging did you prefer? Who do you think had more creativity? Whose creativity was great, but also their execution? And then finally, which one achieved the desired feeling more? Do you think? Next up for the round of 4, they'll be going to Mars, I suppose. And a quick reminder, there is a reward for this tournament. The winner will get the majority portion of $1,000. And all that money and the support for the whole tournament and the layout and everything is brought to us by Michael and the whole team at Milano.com. It really is a fantastic platform for organizing things that you need to put a lot of pictures to. If you want like a lot of control about putting things anywhere, adding pictures, adding videos, changing colors, building mood boards, it's pretty sick, bro. So if you'd like to show them some love and appreciation for helping bring this whole tournament together, go to Milano.com/Zimri and you can sign up for that free account for your project, whatever you got going on right now, and just test it out, see if you like it or not. Cool, folks, come back tomorrow morning for another video. I'll be around doing design stuffs. I hope you come back, but I really enjoy sharing this journey with you guys. So if you want to come back, I'm gonna start trying to make a lot more videos and take in a lot more of your guys' ideas. So I'll see you later, alligator. Stay awesome, possum. Bye, guys.